Hey, my name is Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Loser and Pixor. It's from a video called vertical bracket AIRPORT accident 7W7 vertical bracket dash fart, colon 3 vertical bracket. It was uploaded on April 7, 2023, which is a year ago. The sound length from this video is 0:37 to 0:46. The music box will be removed at the beginning and end. I will show you this sound effect right now. Here's what it sounds like. See? This is how the farting sound effects sound like. This sound is only used when I poop. I need to go number 2. I have to go to the bathroom and test Loser and Pixor's farting sound. I think my poop is stuck, and it won't come out. I need to use my tummy muscles once more with the video proof on there. God, that was the largest dump I ever took. That feels so good. Remember kids, when you need to poop, just use this sound effect. It starts at 0:37 and ends at 0:46.